purchase your tickets, we're going to go to sewmagicalexpo.com and click at the top right, Buy Tickets. Here you'll see all the different ticket types for 2022 Florida, and you'll go ahead and select, let's say, VIP Plus passes. To the left, you'll see the easy navigation for all the different tickets, and then you'll see here the description of what's included in that pass. You also see it says see chart and additional info for ticket comparisons. So if you scroll down, you'll find that additional information, and you'll see that ticket comparison chart with all that's included in each ticket type, notes about children, refund policy, and your media policy. Then you're going to go ahead and scroll back up, and you're going to select whether you want an adult or child ticket. And then you're also going to select the quantity. Let's say, for instance, I want to buy 2 tickets. I'm going to hit purchase, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter my name here, my first and my last name, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in the email I want the tickets to be emailed to. I'm going to go ahead and select and enter the names of who will receive those tickets. It may not be for myself, it might be for 2 different people, but you're going to go ahead and enter those 2 names, and then you're going to enter the shirt sizes for those ticket holders, especially if you have a VIP or a VIP Plus pass. That is key. Hit purchase, and it's going to add it to your cart. Here in the cart, you can see off to the right, there is the ability to add a discount code for maybe you have a discounted ticket rate or a free ticket or a giveaway ticket. Go ahead and enter that code here. You're going to see your total as well, and then you're going to enter your email. If you have an account already, go ahead and click sign in and sign yourself in. And then I'm going to enter it here. I'm going to select continue, and this is where you can enter a credit card or your PayPal account to be able to purchase your tickets, as well as the discount code again if you'd like, or if you didn't put it off to the right. Now let's say I want to purchase an additional ticket. Easiest way to do this is to go back to sewmagicalexpo.com, click that buy tickets button again, and we're going to go ahead and select a VIP ticket this time. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go ahead and select 1 child ticket to add to my cart. I'm going to go ahead and put a name in here. It's preferable that it's the name of who's purchasing the tickets, but you can also put that ticket holder name in here. I'm going to select the email I want the ticket to go to, and the name of who's receiving that ticket and their shirt size, because this is a VIP pass. I'm going to select purchase, and it will add it to my cart along with my other passes. Off to the right, you can go ahead and adjust the quantity of those tickets up or down. If you do increase your ticket count here, make sure that you click the edit details button and include the additional name and shirt size of that additional ticket. Hit save, and then it'll make the adjustment. Hit remove, and it'll remove a ticket as well. Then it'll adjust your total. If you'd like to receive emails and be on our email list, you can also click that box, and we'll make sure to add you as well. This is how you buy your 2022 Florida Sew Magical Expo tickets.